Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the math class. Last class we studied about what is ratio and how can we find the ratio of two quantities and what is simplest form of ratio. And today class we'll see how to find percentage. What is mean by percentage? Yes, today class we are going to learn about the word percentage. This word we can see in our daily life. Suppose when we go to shopping mall, we can see there 5% discount, like 20% discount, and on that price list, if you see 10% tax, 5% tax, and suppose if my salary is 20,000 rupees, my boss told me that next year increment, your salary increment is 10 percentage. Like that we can hear this word percentage in our daily life. Let's see what is meant by percentage here. Per nothing but each. Cent means out of 100. Out of 100. Each 100. 5% means what? Out of 100. Suppose if I have 5%, and this is the symbol of percentage. 5% we can write like this, 5% with the help of that symbol. What is mean by this 5%? 5% means what? Out of 100. Out of 100. Suppose there is a board like 5% discount. It means for every 100 they are going to reduce 5 rupees. 5 out of 100 means 5 rupees out of 100. If the article cost is 100 rupees, they are going to reduce 5 rupees. Means we have to pay 95 rupees. Suppose if the article cost is 300 rupees, how much they will reduce? 5 out of 100. For 100, 5 rupees. 200, 10 rupees. 300, 15 rupees. They are going to reduce 15 rupees on that 300. That is the meaning of 5%. Suppose we can see here 10% increment. What is mean by 10%? 10 out of 100 means for every 100 rupees he will increase 10 rupees. If the person salary is 100 rupees, next month onwards, next year onwards, 10 rupees will increase. 100 plus 10, 110 rupees. Means based on that, they are going to increase. This is about the word percentage. Percentage means we will calculate out of 100. Yes, children, here you can see the exact meaning of percentage. Percentage means the word percent means per 100, out of 100. I mean every 100. Percentage is denoted by this symbol. We can read as percentage symbol. Example you can see, suppose 5% is there. What is the meaning of that 5%? It means 5 out of 100. 5 out of 100. Suppose if I have 10%, what is the meaning of that 10%? It means 10 out of 100. Suppose if I have X percentage, what is the meaning of that X percentage? X out of 100. That is the meaning of the word percentage. It means we calculate it out of 100. Yes, children, let's see how to convert a fraction to percentage and its converse, like percentage to fraction. Let's see here. What they said to do here, to express a fraction as a percentage, to express in terms of percentage, multiply the fraction by 100 and put percentage symbol. Let's see this with the help of some examples. Yes, let me take one example. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the fraction. To convert this 4 by 5 fraction into percentage, what condition they say beta? Multiply it by 100 and put percentage symbol. See solution. To convert this fraction 4 by 5 into percentage, they said multiply it by 100. Multiply it by 100 and put percentage symbol. That's all. And after that, if possible, convert it to simplest form. I mean lowest form. This both we can simplify. Common factor is 5. Yes. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 0 0. We can write 4 into 20 percentage. For 20s are 80 percentage. That is the way we can express fraction into percentage. Let's see one more example. I'll take here 1 3 by 16. 1 3 by 16. It is the mixed fraction. This I want to convert into percentage. First convert into improper fraction, then we'll express into percentage. See my solution. Mixed fraction, how can I convert it to improper? Multiply denominator with whole number part. 16 into 1 and add the numerator 3 by keeping same denominator. 16 1 is 16 plus 3 19. 19 by 16. 19 by 16 is the fraction. Now this fraction to convert into percentage, multiply by 100 and put percentage symbol. Yes. Now this one to convert into percentage, multiply it by 100 and put percentage symbol. If possible, convert into lowest form. Yes. These both are having common factor is 4. We'll simplify with 4 table. 4 4 16, 4 2 is 8, 2 0, 4 5 is 20. Yes. We can write 19 by 4 into 25 percentage. Is there any common factor or no? No common factor. Yes. Now we'll multiply this both numerators is equal. We'll multiply this 25 into 19. 19 by 95. 5 9 carry. 19 to 38. 38 plus 9 47. Yes. 475. We'll write 475 by 4 percentage. This we can express in terms of mixed or decimals. Divide by 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 0 here, 7, 4 2 is 8, more than that. We will take 4 ones are 4, 3 left, and let 5. 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 8 is 32, 3 left. So how can I write this? This we can write 118. 3 by 4 percentage. That is the way. Just multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol and try to express into simplest form, lowest form. That is the way to convert a fraction into percentage. Let's see second one, to convert a percentage into fraction. What they said, convert the percentage into fraction, divide it by 100 and remove the percentage symbol it seems. See one example. 12 percentage. It is in terms of percentage. This I want to express into fraction. To express into fraction, what they said, divide it by 100 and remove this percentage symbol. Yes. Yes. To convert, what we can write over here? To convert into fraction. Yes. To convert into fraction, take the number, divide it by 100. They said divide it by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. That's all. 12 by 100 is like a fraction form and express into lowest form, simplest form. This table possible, 4 times possible. See, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 2 0, 4 5 is 20. Yes, I got is equal 3 by 25. 3 by 25. Hope it is clear. Percentage, we are expressing into fraction. 12 percentage, it means 12 out of 100. 12 out of 100. Then we are expressing into lowest form. Hope it is clear how to convert fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction. To convert fraction to percentage, multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol, convert into lowest form. To express percentage into fraction, just you can divide by 100 and remove that percentage symbol. Yes children, let's see here how to convert the percentage into decimal and its converts, like decimal to percentage. We'll see here now. They said on rule, to express the given percentage as a decimal, we are divide the decimal by 100 and remove that percentage symbol. Remove the percentage symbol, then we can convert it to decimals. Let's see one example now. With the help of example, you get 100% clarity. See here, we are taking one percentage now. Let me take some 14 percentage. How much? 14 percentage I'm taking. This I want to express into decimal. See my example 1 solution. 14 percentage. You can follow this rule or you can do that without the rule also. 14 percentage means what? 14 percentage means out of 100. 14 out of 100. Even they said same. To express the given percentage as a decimal, this percentage to express as a decimal divided by 100. We can divide the given number by 100 and remove percentage symbol. Divided by 100 and remove percentage symbol. 14%. We can write 14 out of 100. Then we can convert into decimals. How can we write into decimals, my dear? Write the numerator as it is. Denominator we have 2 zeros. So from backwards, 2 digit before you can keep the decimal point. 2 zeros are there. So from backwards, 2 digit before you can keep the point. Point before there is no whole number part, you can write 0. Suppose in denominator if you have 3 zeros, from the backwards, 3 digit before you keep decimal point. Suppose if you have like 12, 112 by 1000, what is it means? How can we express it to decimals? Write the numerator as it is. In denominator we have 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 3 digit before you can keep the decimal point. 2 zeros, 2 digit before. 3 zeros, 3 digit before from the backwards. Even here also there is no number part, we will write 0. Suppose if you have 17 by 1000, how can you express in decimals now? Write the numerator 17. Denominator we have 3 zeros. From backwards, 3 digit before keep the decimal point. But we have only 2 digits here. Keep one more digit 0. Now 3 zeros are there. From backwards, 3 digit before can keep the decimal point. If there is no whole number part we can write 0. That is the way you can express into decimals. That's all. See one more example if you want. Like 211 percentage. 211 percentage. How can I express into decimals? See my here solution. 211 percentage means 211 out of 100. 211 out of 100. So this to express into decimals, write the numerator as it is. In denominator we have 2 zeros. From backwards, 2 digit before you can keep decimal point. Hope it is clear. Percentage decimal. Express into fraction form. 14% means 14 out of 100. Then we can express into decimals. Now let's see here how to convert decimal to percentage. Let's see one example here. To convert decimal to percentage, what condition they said? Multiply the decimal with 100 and put percentage symbol. Same just like how to convert fraction to percentage. While converting fraction to percentage also, we multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. Even decimal to percentage also, same rule we have. See, let me take one decimal like 0.24. 0.24. Now this decimal to convert into percentage. Yes. Solution see my here. To convert. Yes. To convert into percentage. What we have to do, beta? Take the given decimal 0.24 and multiply with 100. Multiply the decimal with 100. Then after put percentage symbol. Ask you to put the percentage symbol. That's all. And you can simplify if possible. When you are multiplying with 10, 100, 1000 like that, decimal point is shifted to right side. While multiplying, decimal point is shifted to right side. When you multiply a number with exponent of 10, decimal point is shifted to right side. How many zeros are there? That many digits. It is going to shift to right side. Here 2 zeros are there, so decimal point is shifted to right side after 2 digits. After 2 digits, so we can write 0 to 4. Point we can write. Decimal point is shifted to right side. The reason we are multiplying after 2 digits. The reason here 2 zeros are there. Suppose 1 zero means it will shift to right side after 1 digit. Point after there is no one number part, we can write 0. And then percentage symbol is as it is. Before 0 no value, point after 0 also no value. This we can write like 24%. How we can write ma? 24%. Let's see one more example here. 7.4. 7.4 decimal 7.4 into percentage. To express the decimal into percentage, take the given decimal and multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. I said when you multiply with 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, so decimal point is shifted to right side. When you multiply exponent of 10 for any number, decimal number is shifted. When decimal number, the decimal point is shifted to right side. How many zeros are there? That many digits after it is going to shift. Here 2 zeros are there, so decimal point is shifted to after 2 digits. But only one digit is there. You can keep one more digit, which is 0. Now decimal point is shifted to after 2 digits. We can write 740. Point is shifted to after 2 digits. If there is no decimal part, you can write 0. Put percentage symbol is as it is. Hope it is clear. Yes, children, we learned how to convert fraction to percentage, percentage to fraction, and also we learned how to convert decimal to fraction, fraction decimal to percentage, percentage to decimal. We learned all these things. Now based on that, we will see some problems. How to convert fraction to percentage, beta? To convert fraction to percentage, multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. Same thing while converting decimal to percentage also. From exercise 8.2, let's see first bit. Convert the given fractional numbers to percentage. They gave fractions, asking to convert into percentage. Let's see one example here. See, 3 by 40 they give. 3 by 40 is the fraction. To convert this fraction into percentage, yes. What I said here? To convert the fraction to percentage, what condition I said? I said multiply with 100, and also I said put percentage symbol. To convert fraction to percentage, I said multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. 3 by 40 is the fraction. To convert into percentage, multiply with 100, and put percentage symbol. If possible, convert into lowest form. How can I convert lowest form? Here see 1 0 cancel. 3 by 4 into 10 percentage symbol. This both, what is the highest common factor? 2 table goes. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 is equal. 3 into 5, 15. 15 by 2 percentage. 15 by 2 percentage. It means 2 table, 2 7s are 14, 1 left. How can we express better? If it is improper, try to express in terms of mixed. 7 1 by 2 percentage. We can write as 7 1 by 2 percentage. Just multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol when you want to convert fraction to percentage and convert it to simplest form. Let's see one more example here. Next one is 2 by 7. Even for 2 by 7 fraction also, to convert into percentage, we'll do the same thing. Yes, we'll multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. 2 by 7 is the fraction. To convert this 2 by 7 fraction into percentage, multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. 700, no common factor other than 1. 2 7, no common factor other than 1. So we multiply numerators. 2 into 100, 200. 200 by 7 percentage. If it is improper, try to convert in terms of mixed. 200 divided by 7 7 2s are 14. Here 6 left. This 0 can bring down. 67 table. 7 8s are 56. How much left, beta? 4 left. Now convert into mixed. 28 4 by 7. 28 4 by 7 percentage. That is the way you can convert a fraction to percentage. Simple concept. Just multiply with 100, put percentage symbol, convert into lowest form. I mean simplest form. Let's see here. Second bit, convert the given decimal fraction to percentage. Convert the given decimal fractions to percentage. Sorry, they are asking convert into fractions to percentage. See my solution. Decimal number is there 0.65. Now this decimal fractions we can convert into percentage. Let's see how to convert into percentage. Even for decimal also, to convert into percentage, multiply with 100. Yes, like right, same thing. Multiply by 100 and put percentage symbol. Same like how we did for fractions. So multiply this with 100 and put percentage symbol. 0.65 will multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. So here when you multiply with 100, 10,000 like exponent of 10, decimal point is shifted to right side. How many zeros are there? That many digits after it is going to shift. 2 zeros are there, decimal point is shifted to right side after 2 digits. We can write 065 point. Point after everything is not there means decimal point will become 0 percentage. So 65 before 0 no value, point after 0 no value, we can write 65 percentage. Decimal fraction to percentage we did. Next we will see one more example over here. They gave 2.10 to convert into percentage. Even this also will multiply with 100 and put percentage symbol. Here 2 zeros are there, decimal point is shifted to right side after 2 digits. But here only one digit is there. How can I shift to right side after 2 digits? One more zero we can keep here. Now it is shifted to right side after 2 digits. 210 point. Point after no decimal point we keep 0 and put percentage symbol. So that is the way we can convert decimals to percentage. Yes children, let's see some problem solving based on the percentage concept only. Here we have fourth bit ma. Find 15% of 250. Fourth bit. Solution A1. 15% of 250. This type of problems are very useful even daily life also. Suppose if an article cost is 250 rupees, they said 15% discount. Means how we can calculate what is 15% of 250 means how much amount they are going to reduce. To know that, should know this type of concept, then it will be easy. Let's see what is mean by 15% of 250. Yes, 15%. How can I express into fraction? 15% means 15 out of 100. Percentage means what? Per 100 out of 100. 15% means 15 out of 100. Here half nothing but into 250. Simplify this, 10 10 cancel. So what left? 15 by 10 into 25. This both we can simplify by 5 table. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10. Is equal to 15 into 5. 75 by 2. 75 by 2. 75 by 2 we can simplify to get the result. Yes. 2 3s are 6, 1 left to 5, 2 7s are 14, 1 left to 0.0, 2 5s are 10. Yes, 37.5 means if the article cost is 250 rupees, if the discount 15% means they will reduce 37.5 rupees. So now what is 15% of 250? It is 37.5. That is the way you can calculate. Let's see one more. 75% of 1 kg. Let's see here D1. 75% of 1 kg. 75% means what? 75 out of 100. OF of means here into 1 kg. This we can write 75 by 100. 1 kg means we know 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to how much? 1000 grams. 2 zeros cancel. 75 into 10, 750 grams. 75% of 1 kg, how much? 750 grams. That is the way we can calculate. Now let's see fifth bit. They are asking find the whole quantity if 70% of it is 14 minutes. 70% of total whole quantity is what? 14 minutes. Means 70% means 14 minutes. Then what is the whole quantity? Whole quantity generally will calculate for 100% here. 70 percentage means 14 minutes. Then 100 percentage means how many minutes? That we need to calculate. Here it nothing but whole quantity. From the whole quantity, 70 percentage nothing but 14 minutes. By using this, we have to find what is the whole quantity. Solution will take first. Let the whole quantity. Let the whole quantity. Yes, I am writing here. Let the whole. Sorry, ma. Let the whole quantity is equal to x minutes. It is about time minutes and taking minutes. Whole quantity is equal to x minutes. Now what they given here? 70% of it means whole quantity. 70% of whole quantity is how much? They said 14 minutes. We'll simplify this. 70 percentage, it means 70 out of 100. OF half means into. What is the whole quantity? We don't know. We have to calculate the whole quantity only. But we took the whole quantity is x minutes. Yes, let me write here x. E is nothing but equal to how much it is? 14. Now from here, find the value of x. Nothing but whole quantity. To find the x, you can apply method of transposing, which we learned in simple equations chapter. To know the value of x, first by 100 transpose that side. So when you transpose division, it becomes into. So what happens in the remaining part? Let's say 70 into x is equal to 4. Denominator if I set that side, it will become numerator. More to find x, this into 70 transpose RHS. X is equal to 4 into 100 into 75 transpose, it will become by 70. It will become by 70. Sorry, here 14 madam. 14. Simplify that to know the value of x. I mean the whole quantity. 0 will cancel. X is equal to 14 into 10 by 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. X is equal to 2 into 10, 20. X we took in terms of minutes now. So 20 minutes. See, whole must be greater than this part. 70% is 14 minutes. The whole quantity, I mean 100% is not more than 14. It is 20 minutes. Hope it is clear. Yes, children, let's see some more examples based on percentage concept only. Here, exercise 8.2 60-bit schema. Convert given percents to decimal fraction and also fractions in simplest form. Actually, they gave a percentage, asking to convert into decimal fractions, and again those decimal fractions we need to convert into simplest form. What is mean by decimal fractions? Decimal fractions are nothing but fractions which are having the denominator is like exponent of 10, 15 by 100, or 7 by 10, or 177 by 1000, like this. Fractions which are having the denominators are like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. I mean which are exponents of 10. Those fractions are called decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Now whatever the percentages they give, those percentages first we have to convert into decimal fraction. Then after we need to convert into simplest form, lowest form. Let's see one example here. A1 we will see solution one. They said 25 percentage. 25 percentage means what? 25 out of 100. Yes, we converted it to decimal fraction. Denominator is exponent of 10. Now this decimal fraction asking to convert into simplest form, lowest form. What is mean by simplest form? Highest common factor is 1. For both numerator and denominator is common factor 1. Then we can say that it is simplest form. But here 25 by 100. It is not simplest form. 25 double possible. 25 1 is 25. 25 4 is 100. Is equal to 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is simplest form. That's all. See one more B1. 150 percentage is what? 150 out of 100. Now it is decimal fraction. Convert into simplest form. 1 0 1 0 cancel. We can write 15 by 10. Now the common factor is 5. Divide with that common factor 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. Now we can write here 3 by 2. Yes, 3 by 2 is the fraction which is in simplest form. Why? Because the numerator 3 and denominator 2 has highest common factor 1. There is no common factor other than 1. So we can say that it is in simplest form. Hope it is clear. Let's see one more application based on percentage. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% are voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually who did not vote? See, total number of voters how many? 15,000. Out of 15,000, how much percentage voted? 60% are voted. Means find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Percentage of voters who did not vote they are asking. Next, and also they are asking how many did not vote. How many did not vote? So we should see beta. We write here given total number of voters. Yes, total number of voters. Total number of voters how many are there? 15,000. Percentage of voters voted is equal to percentage of voters voted is equal to how much percentage voted? 60%. They are asking percentage of voters who did not vote. So we can write percentage of voters voted plus percentage of voters who did not vote is equal to how much? Total we consider always out of 100 percentage. Percentage of people who voted plus percentage of voters who did not vote is equal to 100 percentage. Voted plus not voted altogether total we calculate always out of 100 percentage. Here percentage of voters voted is given how many? 60 percentage. 60 percentage plus percentage of voters who did not vote. Who did not vote is equal to how much? 100 percentage. Now this plus 60 can transpose that side, it will become minus 50. This we can write here. Percentage of voters, yes, percentage of voters who did not vote. Percentage of voters who did not vote is equal to this 100 percentage plus 60 can transpose that side minus 60 percentage is equal to how much now? 40%. Yes, 40% of people not voted out of 15,000. Yes, they are asking can you now find how many actually did not vote? Yes, we can write now percent in voters. We can write here number of voters who did not vote. Number of voters who did not vote is equal to 40% of people are not voted out of 15,000. Yes, 40% of 15,000 are not voted. Simplify that, which gives the number of voters who not voted. 40% we can write 40 out of 100. Half represent multiplication. Here we can write 15,000. Simplify that. 2 zeros cancel. Yes, 15 4s are 60. 1 2 zeros left. Yes, 6,000 people are not voted. Okay children, let's see one more application based on percentage concept only. 10th one, a local cricket team played 20 matches. They played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Means in that total 20 matches, 25% of matches they won. 25% of total matches, I mean 25% of 20 will give us how many matches they won. Let's see the solution better. First we write the given data. Yes, Tell me how many matches they played? 20 matches. Yes. We can write here total number of matches. Total number of matches they played. Yes. Total number of matches they played is equal to how many? 20 matches they played. So, and also give percentage of matches. Percentage of matches they won. How much percentage they won? 25% of matches they won. What they are asking, how many matches did they win? We can write, yes, we have to find, yes, we have to find number of matches. Number of matches they won is equal to how many matches they won? How can I find that? They won 25%. Yes, 25% of total matches they played. Yes, 25% of total matches they played. From total matches, 25% they won itself. Simplify this 25 percentage. It means 25 out of 100. Half nothing but multiplication. Total number of matches. How many matches they played? 20 matches they played. Yes, 20. Simplify this better. 0, 0 cancel. So write 25 by 10 into 2. Simplify this 2 ones are 2 5s are 10 is equal to 25 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s is equal to 5. So how many matches they won? Only 5 matches. We can write, yes, number of matches. Number of matches they won. How many matches they won, better? Sir, they played 20. In that they won only 5%. 5 matches. 15 matches they lost. Hope percentage concept is clear for everyone. Hope everyone is understood. Based on this knowledge from exercise 8. Complete this exercise 8.2 in your classwork. Thank you. We'll meet next class.